This is our number 3 metal plus long chain zipper. So we put one auto lock slider and one non-lock slider on two color zipper. Now first let's check the landing situation. You see it lands very smooth, and this one with the auto lock slider, you see it also lands very smooth, and the locking is very strong. Let's check some really sample. This one is the finished one, but this one is original brass without any plating. And let's see this one. This one is with the shiny nickel plating already, and with the double puller, because some customer use this model for some bag or for other function using. You see it lands very smooth. So if you need such this quality, number 3 long chain zipper, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.